How to create Ring app account. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have already downloaded Ring app on your device. If not, you can head towards the Play Store or App Store, search for the app Ring and download it. Once completion of this download process, launch it. You will land to this kind of page. Here you will see the option of create account. Click on it. Now go ahead and type in your first name and last name. Click on continue. Now select your country. Then click on continue. Now go ahead and type in your email address. After you fill this, click on continue. Now generate password for your account. Then click on create account. And just with that, your account has been created. Now you just have to verify your email address, so close this and check your mail. You will be receiving mail from the Ring app. You have to open the mail and click on verify now. Once you verify your email address, you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily sign up for a Ring account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.